How to fix hard drive missing after updating Windows 11. To fix hard drive missing after updating Windows 11, try 1. Uninstall recent Windows Update, S. 2. Remove and install all device drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Run a quick SFC scan as admin. 4. Disable allow the computer to turn off the device to save power option for all the USB ports listed under Universal Serial Bus Controllers entry. 5. Check for connections and damage, external hard drive. Reconnect your device, if possible. 6. Launch the new Simple Volume Wizard in Disk Management. Hints: 1. Choose the maximum size. 2. Assign a different drive letter. 3. Set NTFS for the file system. 7. Assign a drive letter via the Change Drive Letter and Paths option in Disk Management utility.